microbial bugs have developed a resistance to our antibiotic drugs. These are the same drugs that used to kill them. Now, an antibiotic is a selective poison. It kills certain bacteria without harming the cells in your body. Now, different types of antibiotics affect different bacteria in different ways. But let's say this is a petri dish full of cells and they're under attack by these blue bacteria. And this glove represents penicillin. And this type of antibiotic interferes with a bacterium's ability to construct its cell walls. So when it encounters the penicillin, the bacteria burst open and die.
It's important to know what it is that you're eating, and I think that it's a mistake to lump it all into one category. One could actually have a transgenic plant that didn't include the part that you eat. So maybe it's transgenic just in the leaves and you don't eat the corn leaf, or it's transgenic in the roots because you have root worms that, hurt the plant through the roots.
If we are what we eat, what are we eating? It's not so easy to tell. When scientists throw words around like hybrid, transgenic, GMO, and genetic engineering, they're not always talking about the same thing. There are different techniques using different organisms and different parts of the DNA. We end up with different kinds of food. If we want labels, where should we start? Should labels show up on all food that's been grown with pesticides? On all food that's been hybridized or genetically modified? It's worth thinking about because we, all of us, are the consumers. It's going to be very hard indeed to build a structure that's earthquake-proof, leak-proof, and erosion-proof that lasts at least 10,000 years. It's never been done. Consider the pyramids. They're some of the longest-lasting civil engineered structures on Earth. But every single one of them has been broken into. And the vandals and archaeologists who got in were not deterred in any way by big, heavy stone walls or spooky curses. Maybe they just couldn't read the hieroglyphic warning.